pupils, dear pupils. Hello, teacher. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Okay, sit down, please. Then we have an English difficulty. So first of all, you should watch the video, okay? Let's translate for yourself. This is the picture, so please tell me about the difference between the two generations. So have smartphones, has technical devices more than this. For example, smartphones, tablets, what else? It's free life. Yeah. Yes, they have free life. Okay, what else? They are optimistic, yes? Yes, okay. So they have high expectations. What about social games? Which generation has better social games? Generation E, yes, okay. What about public devices? For example, computers, cell phones? Generation E also, yeah. Okay, what about the generation X? What is extraordinary from the generation they have? They have what? Women's rights, yes, okay. What else? What about the World War II?
All generation hard working.
Hard working, yes, okay. And they are disciplined, yeah? Okay. So today we have a lot of exercises, and each exercise has got 5 marks. 5 marks. So you should ask to the exercises and get 5 marks out of 5, okay? And in the end, we will know who is the winners. Now, which generation are winners? The generation E or generation X? Okay? Thank you. Good luck. First exercise, you should listen the audio. Then you should find out the true sentences and the false sentences. You have 5 minutes for this exercise. So first of all, listen, okay? Let's class. Okay. Who wants to start? Okay, generation E, please start.
The cinema was more in the 50s.
Is it? It's false. Yes. Okay. Next one. You.
Alice Member is false.
Alice Member it's false. Yes, you're right. Okay. Next one.
Alice thinks that teenagers are more enthusiastic today. Is true.
Enthusiastic. Yes. Okay. You are right. Next one. The fourth. Jean-Louis, please.
Becky thinks that the 50s style of clothes was full.
It's false. It is false. Yes, you're right. Okay. Next one.
Alice doesn't like the violence on TV today.
It's true. It's true. Okay. Next one. Who wants the next? You're right. Next one.
Yes, people get married early now than the 50s.
It's true. People get married early now. Yes, you're right. You're right. Okay. And the last one is, please, Nұржан.
Becky is respectful to older people. It's true.
Becky is respectful to older people. Not. It's false. Okay. The generation E, you have got the 5 points. And generation X, you have got 3 points. Okay. Let's continue. Yes, so our lesson has got a vocabulary. There are words consisting of our today's topic. Yeah? Keep on. Штар болу, шоппай. Есенде қалу, who about, су болу, interest in, қызығушылық болу, polite with, сыпайы болу, passion for, құмар болу, enthusiastic about, ынталы болу. Books in your dictionaries, these words. Class, you should read the text in your books on page 11 and find out the private information which of different traits of all the young generations. You understand? Okay, I have got brochures. Please write the differences in these brochures. It's a common, it's a group work. Please work in the group. Let's start. You have got 5 minutes for this exercise, and the total mark is 6 points. Let's start. Have you finished? Yes. Okay. Who wants to win the 6 points? Areva, please come. And in this group, Sultanat. Okay. Come please. And read the differences. Let's check other people's. Let's start. Areva.
Things are different now. We go to disco stuff where don't dance to the music there. Most teenagers are keen on jazz today, and no pointing much black and white generation is sometimes shocked by loudness and violence on TV. But she's cool about most things. She thinks it's good that all women study and work now. She says women have more opportunities.
Do you listen? Do you agree? Yes, of course. Start please. The first group and the second generation X and generation Y. Also, two groups have got 6 points out of 6. Okay? Your marks, your points, I will share in the WhatsApp after the lesson. Okay? The exercise is you should find the definitions of this word. Okay? So I need 2 volunteers. Generation X. Who wants to answer, please? And generation Y, Nұржан, please come. There are words here. Next, somebody about something close, trust, or respect. Yeah, please read Nұржан.
Given that the belief purposes of the
Yeah, okay, next one. Next statement. Johnson.
can say that influence
Trust. Trust. Okay, next one.
an active of the given to be as
Somebody else. In love. Okay, next one.
state of being excited from the comfort
Next one.
feeling of being knowledge of how who is
Next one.
the state being free from fear trust.
Okay, next one.
Belief in the office
And the last one is Johnson, please.
state being unable to involve
In laws. Okay, thank you. Proceed. And you have got this, the 2 groups. You have got 7 points out of 7. Yes? Okay. Activity is role play. So imagine that you are on a talk show. The topic is different generations. Your character is taking part in it. You are a journalist. Take the interview and prepare your questions and help your interviews. Okay, the journalist who wants to be journalist. Just please come and sit on the chair. Okay, I have got 3 papers with the problems of young generations. Yeah. So first one is Nelly. Who wants to be Nelly? Please come. Okay, so this is your problems. You should, Sultanat, you should read for yourself for 2 minutes. And Jansalo, you should to prepare your questions for Sultanat, okay? Let's start. You have got 3 minutes. It's out. Okay, please. Nelly.
They but I find that to have creative process with understanding each other. When they are here, don't listen to the music, then talk to this girl, she's spoiled. Don't invite your friends. Sometimes I feel irritated and currently I'm really tired of such don't do it without a brain. My parents are on the stage that everything I do is wrong. I really deserve such attitude.
Okay. Okay, so Nelly read her problem, and please, journalist, please ask her.
maybe you need to explain this situation to them.
Yes, I agree with you. Okay. Okay, thank you. Who wants to ask the question? Nobody? Okay, sit down, please. Next, our participant is Ben. He's 15 years old. Please, Ben, come. This is your words. And journalists, Jansu, please come. You have got 3 minutes for read your problems and answer the question.
When this smiling, I don't know much. Maybe because I'm free and I be aware status. But what about my regrets? I'm torn between waiting to take a stand and not waiting to accept my part.
My bad. Okay. So you have a problem with your classmates, yes? Okay. Now journalists ask you a question. Please ask.
Maybe you should talk to your teacher and your parents.
Maybe. Do you agree with this question? With this opinion of journalists? Maybe yes. Okay. Do you have any questions? Arjun, please.
Did you do something against your classmates?
Yeah. Did you do something against? Yes, you do?
Yes.
You did, yeah? What things? Do you argue with your classmates?
No.
No. Okay, so now please. And the third participant is Katie. She is 16 years old. Please come. This is your work. Please prepare for 2 minutes. And journalists, please prepare one question for Katie. Let's start.
Understand me. They treat me as a kid, so I'm already 16. I want to go to Napoli. I want to meet my friends and go to different parties. Parents, they tell me to sleep for about school and I sleep. When I go somewhere, I have to at home no later than 10 a.m. It's ridiculous and as my parents now and my father almost has to when he learns that I have to learn. You know, never makes them as fast as I
Okay. Katie's problem your parents don't understand you. So journalists, please give an opinion or ask a question.
Why don't you have a serious talk with your parents? Maybe my parents is good or strict.
Do you have questions? Do you have questions? Not questions. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for all of the and for journalists. Please sit down. Go with this. Thank you for all of you. The two groups are winners today because you are both having equal points. 8 points and 8 points English mixed and even. Thanks for you. And our feedback is please send me a message with the numbers 1 if the lesson was boring. Send me the number 2 if the lesson was a bit hard. 3 lesson was clear to understand. 4 lesson was interesting. And 5 if you like the lesson. Let's